Hey, Ivan from the EV Stock channel here, and today we're going to be looking at both Tesla's production numbers and sales figures coming out of China, and also what clues the figures give us in relation to a potential record-setting third quarter. But before we begin, thank you to all the Patreons that make these episodes possible, and as always, none of this content is financial advice. And we start off with some excellent news in that Tesla produced a new monthly record of 37,000 vehicles in July, topping the previous record set in May. Model 3 production came in with a record 23,227 vehicles produced, while Model Y production came in at 13,825. Not a record this month, however, I am seeing reports, such as this one from Woowa, that Model Y production has reached 1,000 units per day. If this is indeed the case, and Tesla can manufacture around 25,000 Model Ys along with 23,000 Model 3s, then that would put Tesla production at around 48,000 for the month of August. And if Tesla could achieve this, then that would come out to an annualized run rate of 576,000 vehicles produced. And based on those implications, I cannot wait to see next month's production numbers. One other angle on production worth mentioning is that in China, the Model 3 and Model Y are in second and third place behind the Hongguang Mini. Keeping in mind, the Mini costs around $4,000, is the size of a dining table and doesn't include airbags, so not really that much of a competitor to Tesla. However, what the numbers do show is that no other manufacturers are even close when considering other SUVs and sedans. Also worth mentioning is that Tesla has the highest volumes of produced vehicles out of any brands in China during the month of July. And remember, Tesla isn't slowing down. August has a good chance of being an even stronger month, which means Tesla could extend their lead even further. So now that production has been covered, let's move on to exports. And in July, Tesla exported a record 24.3 thousand vehicles from Shanghai. And this was to be expected, as Tesla have stated that Shanghai is the export hub. Keep in mind, July was the first month of the quarter, meaning Tesla can send vehicles out from Shanghai and have them delivered to Europe by the end of the quarter. In the final chart, we can see Tesla vehicles sold in China, and no surprise, if the majority of vehicles have been exported to other countries in the month of July, then they can't be delivered to Chinese consumers, which explains why Tesla's figures in China are lower for the month. Looking forward, I would expect to see the August numbers to be substantially higher unless Tesla is exporting more vehicles in the first week or two of August, and that's a possibility as Tesla did just that in May, which was the second month of Q2, so something to keep in mind. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with the way things are progressing in China. On a final note, Tesla has produced 6,500 more vehicles in the first month of Q3 compared to that of Q2, and when you combine that with a stronger forecasted August and Model S vehicles being in production and being delivered in this quarter, that's going to set up Q3 to be a potentially another record-setting quarter. How strong? Well, that will depend on many things, including what the production and sales figures coming out of China are. So I'll make sure to do another analysis in a month's time and bring you those figures. So till then, stay safe and I'll see you guys soon.